Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity: Sky, Grass, and Root Letters. Today, we will learn about sky letters, grass letters, and root letters in the English alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. Sky letters. Look at the airplane flying in the sky. Do you see the letters hanging from the clouds? These are sky letters. Sky letters go up high, just like an airplane flying in the sky. Sky letters are B, D, F, H, K, L, T. Say them with me again. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. Where do we write sky letters? In the upper three lines. Great job. Let's move to the next set of letters. Grass letters. Now look at these beautiful flowers growing in the green grass. These are grass letters. Grass letters stay in the middle just like flowers standing on the grass. Grass letters are A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Let's say them together. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Where do we write grass letters? In the middle, 2 lines. Well done. Now let's go underground. Root letters. Look at the tree. Its roots go deep into the ground. Root letters go below the line just like tree roots growing underground. Root letters are G, J, P, Q, Y. Repeat after me. G, J, P, Q, Y. Where do we write root letters? In the lower 3 lines. Awesome! You are learning so fast. Amazing job! You are now experts in sky, grass, and root letters. Today, we learned about sky letters. They go high in the sky. Grass letters, they stay in the middle. Root letters, they go below the ground. Keep practicing, and soon you will be writing like a pro. See you next time. Bye-bye.